I'm Ryan with Wooden Camera. We're at IBC 2018 and we've got some exciting new products for the Blackmagic Pocket 4K. This is our cage that attaches directly to the camera's body via `20 on the top and `20 screw on the bottom. It leaves all of the controls easily accessible. You can still grab the camera grip on the right side. It also includes an HDMI protector and right angle adapter. And we have a top handle that folds over on top for easy packing of your bag. You can also quickly remove this by aligning the tab with the tab on the handle here, and then you can add it as a vertical 15mm rod handle on the side here. On the front of this cage, we have our new Box Pro. So it's an extremely lightweight mat box. It holds 3 filters. And this version is swing away, so you can set the tension on the side here with a thumb screw and actually just grab the mat box and pull it out of the way for an easy lens change. It has a native 114mm opening on the back here, and we also include reduction rings that drop it down to the 110, 104, 95, 87, and 80mm sizes. And we also include a cloth donut that goes around the outside, so you can use non-standard lens diameters with this set. Carbon fiber flags included. It folds down nicely to cover the lens area when you're traveling. And the whole kit is $4.99, and it should be shipping in about 6 to 8 weeks. Also on this rig, our DSLR base plate, which holds the 15mm rods, our zip focus, which is our single-sided follow focus, and then on the back here we have power plates for the Pocket 4K that use the special 2-pin connector that Blackmagic chose for this camera. So we're really excited about these new products, and I appreciate you checking them out. Another new product for IBC is our metal power plates. These are brand new with a partnership with Anton, Bauer. We have gold mount and V mount versions, and these power plates have 3 power taps on the sides. We also have replaced the traditional glass fuse with a digital fuse, and the digital fuse monitors the output of the D-taps, so if you have a short circuit or if you overload them, the red light comes on, the power is cut off to the D-taps. When you fix the problem, you can reset it with this button on the side. It's a very nice feature. We also have conversion plates, so it goes from V mount to gold mount and gold mount to V mount. And then we have special versions with dedicated cables for the specific cameras. So right here we have the C200. So we have the C200 Limo compatible cable here that can plug into the camera body. These are available in just a few weeks, and we're very excited to start shipping them. You can check them out at woodencamera.com.